Hello everyone, welcome to traderscockpit.com. In this video, we're going to discuss about what is RSI indicator and how to understand the RSI from basic to advanced level. Just go to Chartex and click on live charts here and go to the indicator symbol and type RSI, that is relative strength index. You can see here, this is the RSI indicator. Just apply it and expand the chart. This is the RSI indicator we have applied. In the bottom, which you see RSI 14 by default. And RSI is measured from 0 to 100. Okay, it is measured from 0 to 100 in the right hand side if you observe. But how we use RSI indicator 70, when the market touches, when the stock touches 70, we look for the overbought. It means profit booking will going to happen. When RSI is 30, we try to look for the, it's already oversold, we try to look for the buying opportunity. So this is the basic level of RSI understanding. Whenever RSI goes oversold, we try to look for the buy. Whenever RSI goes overbought, we try to look for the profit booking from the market. So this is the basic understanding. Then next level of understanding is just make the RSI to the 50 level. Instead of 70, just make it 51.49. If you do 51.49 and drag this purple line in the left hand side, you will get the exactly 50 level RSI zone. So when this 50 level RSI purple zone which you see at the bottom, whenever the price goes above this purple zone, if you see, whenever the price goes above this purple zone, the strength is good in the market. If the buyer's sentiment is good in that particular market. Let's assume here, if you see the price is crossing, the RSI line is crossing above the 50. At the same time, price is also going uptrend, and RSI went up and price also went up. So 50 will act as a buyers. So 50 will act as a buyers and sellers. Okay, above 50 is a buyer's sentiment and below 50 is a seller's sentiment. So 50 is a midpoint, because 0 to 100 we measure the RSI. 50 is a midpoint for the buyers and sellers, and above 50 we try to look for the buy opportunity. Below 50 we try to look for the selling short opportunity, short selling opportunity. Then this is the second way of using. First way of using overbought and oversold. Second way of using 50 level of RSI. Third level, this is kind of mastering level of using RSI is RSI divergence trading system. Okay, whenever the price making a high, just assume, if you assume here, and let me take the example. If you see here, this level, okay, here if you observe, RSI was oversold, and next what happened, prices fell, but RSI did not falling. Here, see, price is making a lower low, lower high, lower low. Here the closing is below the previous close, but RSI did making a higher high. Price is making lower low, RSI making higher high. This is, we call it as a classical positive, RSI classical positive. People call it as a divergence trading system. Price is making lower low, RSI making higher high. So here we try to look for the buying opportunity. When the RSI classical positive happens, we try to look for the buy opportunity and market will go up. As it is, it happens, right? Then if you try to look for the selling opportunity, just assume let's identify one selling opportunity. Just take the daily candle. Here if you observe here, price was making a higher high. See, this is a higher high. Again it's making another higher high. Again it's making a higher high. So price is making higher high, higher low, and again price is making another higher high. Here, again it made the higher low. Again it made the higher high. Okay, higher high. At the same time, RSI, what is happening? Making a lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is what happening in the RSI indicator. So RSI showing the negative divergence. This we call it as RSI classical negative. Price is going uptrend, but RSI going downtrend. So it will tells that upcoming trend will be an impulsive downtrend. See how beautifully the market has been fell. So RSI classical positive, classical negative as a divergence trading system, which works very beautiful, and you can also start practicing it. This is the third level of understanding RSI indicator. The fourth level of understanding this is the extreme level, which I'm going to explain right now. This is the final extreme level. Whenever you must understand market is making a higher highs, just assume market is making a higher highs like this, and it made the higher low. So after this making higher low, you knew that another higher high will going to happen. Then you are doing an analysis in daily candle, but you want to trade in this impulsive move. You want to take a buy position in impulsive move. Just shift to hourly candle. Okay, just shift to hourly candle and identify where the RSI oversold is happened. In the daily structure it was higher high, and hourly structure it's a higher low. Whenever this higher low is happened, if you observe, this is a hourly structure. This is a structure which is going for the correction. RSI should go nearby 30. Okay, which is, if you observe here, this is 36. Okay, 36 here. Once it goes to 36 or below 35, 36, nearby 30, you have to get the candle confirmation. Candle confirmation, if you look at in this level, what is the candle confirmation here? Here there is no kind of very good reversal confirmations is not available here. But if you observe, this was a very good confirmation. If you see piercing pattern, which was a very good confirmation, here also almost engulfing pattern is confirmed. So these all the confirmations which you look for the buying opportunity, and you'll place the buy order here. We try to look for the opportunity buying here, and we keep just below that previous low. If you observe, this is the previous low, just below that level will be our stop loss. And we look for the divergence trading for the 1:3, 1:5 reward we can expect from the market. So this is how we use the RSI along with the market structure. If the market is making a higher highs in a higher structure, we shift to the lower structure. So our daily candle to hourly candle, we shift. Once we shifted, we identify the RSI nearby oversold. At the same time, we take the candle confirmation. This is the fourth level of RSI analysis. So this is how we understood from basics to advanced level of RSI indicator. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.